and welcome back to another tutorial. If you didn't know already, we are doing a Christmas advent calendar series of DIY blog posts to encourage your inner creativity and getting you outside into nature as well. I'm here with the lovely Gemma. She's from Lark Design Make, and today we are just going to decorate some really simple baubles.
This is so easy. This is going to be so quick, but you're going to love it. Now, a couple of top tips. First, I love my top tips, is that when you get a pack of baubles, you get all the glittery ones and you get the shiny ones. They're not the best ones to write on. These matte ones, which is generally about 30% of the pack, are the best ones to write. And you can write on the other ones, but the ink takes longer to dry. And then the next top tip is these great white pens that were new to me as well, and I'm really enjoying using them. And then I'd probably just recommend that you have some visuals around you, and that also that you just have a little play before and you just kind of warm your hand up to what you want to do, so that you're not making a mistake. But actually mistakes aren't too bad, because I have some wet wipes ready, and you can, as long as you identify the problem quite quickly, give it a quick clean, let it dry and start again. But hopefully you won't need those today.
Fingers crossed.
Yes, and then also, so hopefully all this stuff you have at home, maybe you just need to get a hold of a pen. Blue tack, what could that be for?
Oh, to hold the bauble.
Yeah,
in place.
it's very technical here. So yeah, you just grab a blob of that. I did actually also use an egg cup once, was quite good, but here you go. So look at a side, and obviously you've got that edge, which we might not want to show. So then you can just place it so that you've got a nice side facing up. Put mine there, maybe at a bit of an angle, depending on how you feel most comfortable.
Okay.
It hopefully should stay in place for you for a few minutes.
That's a really good idea.
Yes, very simple, but it came with a few mistakes where it would roll off as I was writing, and I think, and it'd all smudge. So I've learned the hard way, so you don't have to. All right, so if you want to just use either these idea sheets that I created, or if you've got something in your head, you have a little play on your bit of paper. Cool. And just kind of, like I said, warm your hands up so you're ready to go. And
these are Uni Posca pens, so are they like paint pens?
Yes,
then?
yes, and they come in many colours. They also come in silver and gold, which could be quite nice, especially for the darker colours.
That'd be
I
lovely.
fancied white. All right, great, so give your pen a good shake.
Yeah.
And let's go. Great, and then you might want to leave that to dry.
Yeah, I might just wait for that one to dry a little bit before attempting more.
The other thing is some of the parts will go a little bit translucent, a little bit opaque, but there's no, I would wait for it to dry before applying another layer. But that's it really, that's the process. And then what you can do when you've finished is where you maybe have had like a ugly silver string, you can replace it with maybe a nice piece of twine, or a nice piece of ribbon, or a scrap of fabric, a thin piece of fabric.
Perfect.
Yeah, that's it. I might use some scissors.
Fab. Well, we'll just speed up the rest of this video now, so you don't have to watch us intensely concentrate on our baubles. But thank you so much, Gemma.
Yes, no worries, it's been fun.
Yeah, fabulous. And what an easy thing to do at home.
Yes.
So Gemma is from Lark Design Make. We'll pop some more information in the comments. But yeah, thank you very much. And well, hopefully you guys can do some of these videos and show us how yours came out.
That'd be lovely.
Yeah, thanks.
Thanks, bye.